Kumusta? Namalitimig pagkaon ni Pampam. Kay nahutda na siya pagkaon. Maong ni anime diri sa PetSmart. Namin nakita ang kuan bed pandog. Kit kay siya bagay kay kakubi.
Bigyan na buy this for Kobe. Para dili na magnilog si Kobe sa couch ni Lula niya. Pag mag-ani si Kobe na, kini atong ikuanak. Siya'y bag for dog. Gala, pwede na mabito. Ano sana na? Rabbit?
No, guinea pig.
Guinea pig.
It look like rabbit.
No, it's guinea pig.
Guinea pig, wala mo kailang guinea pig. Wala man na sa mo, ah.
They're pretty
Wala man siya rabbit or face.
You just gotta feed them, clean their cage every so often, make sure they get water. It's a lot easier than a dog.
Wait.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what's that sound?
Nothing.
Wala man. Okay lang.
It's a toy for Pom Pom.
You can play water, yeah.
What the? Can I see? Let me see what's inside.
Pom Pom can play for Kobe.
I have a good one.
No, nak. It's expensive. Nak. Do you know how much is this? It's sack of price in Philippines.
Do you have enough things?
Mommy,
Do you have enough cleaner for her?
Mommy,
Unsa?
can I get this for Pom Pom?
Wala to kwarta, nak.
But Pom Pom's gonna get good today.
Nagkaon na mga ikong bulad gani. Wala magitay.
Being quiet today.
Magitay pagkaon.
But Pom Pom's being quiet today.
Ang utana sa imong papa ay pag ditso-ditso dag bayad wa magitay gikaon.
Napalit din niya. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone.